Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos about stock market.
So guys, yes, today is 2nd of February and right now we'll be doing the live trading. So before that, let me see how the pre-open market is opening today. So let's go to pre-open market and see. As you guys can see here, market is opening in the gap up section, that is it 1.4% up at 14,481.10. Advanced stocks are 49 and decline stock is only 1 and unchanged stock is only 1 and declined stocks are 0. Okay, so yes, let's see the stocks which are opening in the gap up section. That is Tata Motors with 5% up, Eicher Motor with 2.71% up, and the stocks which are opening in the gap door are 0. Only Shrichem is having an unchanged position opening. Okay, so yes, these are the pre-open market is looking today, and let's see how the market will be today and what stock we can trade today. Okay, and if you're liking the content of my channel, a subscribe to this channel would be amazing. And also, if you're new to stock market trading and want to learn how to make money consistently in intraday trading, and also if you're having losses and want to recover your losses, you can join my course. So I'll be guiding you. You can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So guys, right now I selected Cipla to trade and I bought it at 814 now. So we'll see how the stock will perform. So yes, this is a equity chart. So bought it around 814. We'll see how the stock will go today. So guys, stock is around 816 now. So as I said, I bought it around 814. So yes, it took a lot of time to come up, and I was still holding it because the market is almost like 2.90% up, almost 3% up. Okay, so the market is continuously going up, and even though if the stock falls a little bit, I think it will gain in power and go up. So I'm still waiting for it. So we'll see when it will reach. So let's aim for a 0.5% target or little more than that, and see how it will perform. So still around 815. So we'll see. So guys, yes, as you guys saw, the stock went a little bit down in the afternoon, and then after like 12:30 and near 1 o'clock the stock really started going up. Okay, so yes, I held my position even it was a risky trade today, but yes, according to my studies and fundamentals, I knew that this stock would go up in any ways. Okay, so yes, I did book like almost around 1% here, and it went all the way up. It went till 3 to 6.3, but I booked my profit around 8 to 3. Sorry, it was 8 to 6.3 is a high made, and it was closing around 8 to 1.60, and I booked my profit around 8 to 3, and that is 823. Okay, so yes, this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Cipla. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. So guys, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to my stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. Okay, so you can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day, and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.